Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to do a quick unboxing of the NUFACE Fix. You might be familiar with the NUFACE microcurrent tools. This is one of them, the Mini, and there's also the Trinity. I really like the results I get with this one, so I'm really excited about using this new one. This one is a lot smaller, is $149. It's supposed to come with a serum as well. Packing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm really excited to try it. So there you can compare the size. And it says NUFACE Fix, line smoothing device, plump, smooth, tighten. I like that. The Trinity and the Mini are supposed to target more of the muscles. They work at a deeper level. And this one is supposed to work more at a surface level, so it's supposed to target more of the smile lines and fine lines. Okay, so it does have instructions and frequently asked questions, user manual, charger, and it does come with a serum. So you're supposed to apply this and then use the tool on top of that. This one you get 0.25 ounces for free. You can get the full size, which is half an ounce, for $49. So it also comes with a cap. Let's compare that to a regular size pen. So quite small. The instructions are to use this up to 2 times a day. So the claims are that this tool works instantly and is designed to be used around the eyes, around the mouth, and the forehead. We have to use the serum and then do a treatment for 1.5 minutes around the eye, on each eye, and then 3 minutes around the mouth and 3 minutes on the forehead. We are supposed to see instant results. So that's basically all you get. You get your instructions, you get your user manual, you get your charger, you get your serum, and you get the microcurrent tool with the cap. So very excited to try this. I'm gonna start using it tomorrow if possible, and I will do a follow-up to this video. I really hope to get good results. I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Click up here.